Dreaming of designing for one of the world's most iconic brands? Here's your guide on how to land a UI/UX designer job at Apple. Securing a design role at Apple requires more than just talent. It demands understanding their design philosophy and showcasing relevant skills. We'll break down the essentials. Apple prioritizes simplicity, clarity, and intuitive user experiences. Your work should reflect a deep respect for these core values, focusing on functional aesthetics. Apple seeks designers with strong foundational skills, including user-centered design principles, empathy for users, and an obsessive attention to detail. Your portfolio and experience are your most powerful tools. This is where you demonstrate your ability to execute high-caliber design. Curate an exceptional design portfolio that showcases complex problem-solving and projects with clear, measurable impact. Quality over quantity is key. Make sure your experience highlights work with Apple ecosystems, such as iOS or macOS design, demonstrating familiarity with the human interface guidelines. Your application needs to be precise and tailored, showing you're the exact fit for the role. Tailor your resume to each specific Apple job description. Use their keywords and clearly state achievements, not just responsibilities. Networking can give you an edge. Attend industry events and leverage platforms like LinkedIn to connect with current Apple employees and learn about the culture. The Apple interview process is rigorous. Preparation is crucial for both technical and cultural fit assessments. Be ready for tough technical questions about design methodologies, tools, and the rationale behind your design decisions. Also, prepare for behavioral questions to demonstrate cultural alignment. Your case studies must tell a compelling story. Detail the challenge, your process, key decisions, and the outcome, clearly showcasing your impact and critical thinking. Landing a job at Apple is a challenging but rewarding process. Consistency, preparation, and passion are your greatest assets. Always send a thoughtful thank you note after interviews. If you don't succeed the first time, take the feedback and keep refining your portfolio. Persistence pays off. Don't wait. Start building and refining your exceptional portfolio today. Good luck on your journey to becoming an Apple UI/UX designer.